Alright guys, Tommy here from Green Rhino. We're at our first job for the day. It needs some deodorizing and pet treatment. So I'm going to be using some Liquid Alive here. So my go-to for deodorizing. But first I'm going to walk around and hit this also deodorizes and removes stains. Unchained TMF. I'm going to hit all the stains with this first and then let that sit a little bit. Then I'm going to hit that. And we're going to pre-spray. We're going to let it dwell like 10 minutes. Pre-spray. Agitate. And that'll be it. Oh, then extract, of course, as far as all the preparation. This is a really cool little place. Out in the country, outskirts of Templeton. Aaron's vacuuming right now. Surprisingly enough, although it looks like, smells like a dog's been hanging out in here, the stains are not coming up as pet stains. Very interesting. But definitely can do a great deodorizing on here. This room isn't that too bad. That room was not too bad, but alright, so I was thinking there was another door over there, but there's not. And then this room here, as you can tell, is really soiled. Alright, so I'm laying down the Liquid Alive for the odor. It's really bad. Customer's not worried about price, she just wants to get it taken care of, you know. And she's also gonna have me out next week to do her house. So we better do a good job. So I charge $40 an area for liquid for your odor enzyme pet treatment. These are two rooms, but one of the rooms are considered two areas. So if you guys are kind of curious on what the rate is for that, that's what I charge. It smells so good, this Liquid Alive. Once you tried it, I don't think you'll ever go to anything else. So she didn't pay for these rooms, but I'm gonna hit a couple little areas. And that's it. I poured just enough into this pump up spray. Man, it already smells so good in here. No joke. Looks like some furniture kind of color transfer there. I'll treat that when I get to it. outside so you can tell. It still looks dirty, but definitely even better just since we did what we did. Haven't even agitated yet. Today I'm using ProCyan as my pre-spray just because I had it mixed up, and I'm running really low on the carpet detail, waiting for my order to come in. So conserving what I have, because I love that stuff. If a towel job comes up, I need to have the carpet detail on hand. Oh wow, see? This was the second best, worst room, and it looks clean already. All he did is scrub it. This one wasn't that bad in the first place. Yeah, this carpet's gonna come out great. Customer's gonna be happy. Okay, so we got some color here. Blue, I'm not sure what it is, but as I'm pulling out the hose and get ready to extract, I'm just gonna go ahead and spot this. First, I'm gonna spot it with the red one. See if that does anything to it. If not, I'm gonna go with the paint oil and crease remover, which will probably take care of it. If that don't take care of it, then I'll try some other alternatives. And let's see what happens. So I'll leave this here until I get to the... Alright, all finished up, guys. No more stains. Nothing. Still gotta work on these, but actually, no, we're not all finished up. All we do is pre-scrub. Haven't even rinsed yet, and it looks like it's been clean already. Damn, we're good. Alright, so remember those brown spots that were right there where the furniture was, and I was thinking might have been color transfer. It was just water stain, so we used a Canon product. The product I use is called Target. It is in a link below my videos on all the tools I use and love. If you hit that link, then you'll be able to find that product on my page. Alright, so I'm about to work my way out of this room, but as you can tell, this carpet came out looking brand new. No more stains, no more odor, smells great. Customer's gonna be super happy. Alright, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Stay tuned if we do a little bit in the next house. If not, catch me in the next video.